don't know if you can see that over there, but that's blue sky. That's blue sky. That's blue sky. That's blue sky. And there's blue sky over there. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Listen to that crap. Oh, window blocked. Like, look at that. Blue fucking sky. Like, look at that shit, bro. Like, it's only right over us. Well, actually, you know what? It's over there, too. See? I don't know. Look at the fucking road. It's all white. It's all white out now. Like, what the fuck's up with the weather? It's supposed to be April showers, ready for hail. Yesterday there was snow. What the hell, bro? Big ass pieces. I don't know if this camera can see that, but yeah, the camera can see that. I mean, like, they're black if you look up. You can see them coming down. Oh shit. Alrighty. Well, I'm thinking about posting this to YouTube. Funny thing is, you guys are going to be watching this on YouTube. So, alrighty.